In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app with Claude Code. By the end, you'll have everything you need to generate a simple, working app using a clear prompt and a few quick clicks. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Starting from Google is the fastest way to get to the official Claude site without memorizing links. Once you're on the Google homepage, click into the search box and type the words Claude AI. Keep it simple. This search term will surface the official site at the top, which is exactly what we want. Next, look through the results and click the official Claude website. You'll recognize it by the Claude address. Opening the official site ensures you're using the latest interface and features. When the page loads, head to a new chat so you can provide a clean, focused prompt for code generation. Now it's time to enter the prompt that will make Claude act like a senior developer and produce a complete, beginner-friendly app for you. Paste or type this exactly and clearly. Act as a senior developer and build a simple, beginner-friendly prompt library app. Web, HTML, CSS, JS, or desktop. Python, your choice. That lets users add prompts, title plus text, ds plus category, view a list of saved prompts, and filter by category, then provide a short overview, all code in one place, and brief run instructions. This prompt tells Claude what to build, what features to include, and how to deliver the output so it's easy to use. Clarity here is everything. Notice it specifies the features, allows a choice of platform, and asks for code and instructions together. With the prompt in place, click Submit. Give Claude a moment to think. You should see an overview of the app, followed by complete code in one place, and brief instructions on how to run it. If it chooses a web version, expect HTML, CSS, and JavaScript bundled together with guidance on saving the files and opening the app in your browser. If it chooses a desktop Python version, you'll typically get a script and steps to run it locally. Either way, the result is designed to be beginner-friendly and quick to try. If you want small changes, like a new category, a different layout, or saving data to a file, ask follow-up questions in the same chat. If anything doesn't work on the first try, paste any error messages back to Claude and request a fix. That's it. You searched for Claude, opened the official site, entered a precise prompt, and submitted it to generate a functional prompt library app. Happy building!